Assalamualaikum beautiful people, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. So today we are going to make taro with beef, which is called Arvi Gosht in Urdu. So here I have half kg of taro, which is peeled off, 1 kg beef, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. We have to blend these ingredients: 1 garlic whole, 2 inches of ginger, and 3 medium onions. We have to blend it first. Heat up the oil, add the beef. After adding beef, add salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder. Now we will add the blended ingredients, blended paste. Now add 2 jugs of water. Make sure our beef is completely tender. Now we will cover it and cook it for 2 hours on medium flame. Here I have half teaspoon of black pepper and 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. We have to roast it and crush it. Then we will sprinkle on the top of it. Now after 2 hours, when the oil separates, we will stir it more for 5 to 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, we will add the taro, that vegetable. Add water. Make sure it will cover all the vegetable and beef. Now cook it for 10 to 15 minutes on medium flame. Cover it. And now after 15 minutes, our meat and vegetable is completely tender. Now we will add the crushed powder that we grinded. And now it's done. And I'm gonna dish it out. So our Arvi Gosht is ready. Serve hot. I hope you like this recipe. If you did, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. That really means a lot to me. We'll meet you in another video with some new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.